Hey there! Chasing up timesheets is a bit of a drag, but the job scheduler makes it a breeze by allowing you to know timesheet statuses at a glance, send reminders, and even update in bulk, all from this screen. First, let's run over the dollar signs. Red means not received, orange means submitted, and green means actioned. No dollar sign means not required or it's in the future. Let's update a single timesheet. Right-click, edit occurrence, and change the timesheet status to submitted. Maybe you need to chase up a worker. You can also send an SMS. Maybe you have a bunch of timesheets to update, all to the same status. To do that, you can click. Notice the purple little box and the tick that comes up. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold down Command. On a PC, you would hold down the Control button and then right click, and notice how we've got Update Timesheet Status is our only available option. We're going to go Actioned for all of those and Update. And there we have just updated these 5 timesheets, so they now have the green icon on them. It's really that simple. You'll be able to stay on top of your timesheets without leaving the job scheduler.